Students, look at the board, please. Today we will study mastering conditionals, a comprehensive exercise with explanations. First of all, we will study zero conditionals. Clear? Yesterday I told you about it. What the zero conditions are. Which tense is used in the zero condition in if class?
Present indefinite.
Present simple or present indefinite. And which tense is used in the reward class?
Present.
Again, present simple. It means in both clauses we use present simple. Clear? If you heat ice, it melts. You can read the Urdu translation of it by yourself. This is if class, this is reward class. Clear? In Urdu? Till here, before comma, this area is if class. This area is reward class. So, what are the uses of zero conditions? What are the uses? What are the uses of zero condition? You may use another door. Pick up over here. No, the words are bigger. That's the reason I called you. Should I turn it off? Okay, just turn it off and we'll turn on the light. The zero condition. Next slide is. Now, words are legible, they are readable, visible, easily. You can make your own clip. I am making my own. But there is. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alayhi wa sallam. Students, look at the board. Assalamu alaikum. Students, look at the board. And next, in number second, we will study the first conditional. Clear? What is the first conditional? Which sentences, which tense is used in the first conditional? Look at the right answer. If he works hard, he will succeed. Which tense is used over here? Who will tell me? Present? Simple. And which tense is used over here?
Will plus base
In the reward class?
Will plus base verb.
Will plus base form or future simple. Clear? So Urdu translation is already there. Till here it is if class, and next after the comma it is reward class. Yes. So what is the structure? Structure of first conditional. In if class we use present indefinite tense, present simple, and in reward class we use future simple. Present simple, next future simple. Clear? Where do we use? What is the usage of it? Where do we use it? For possible future events. We use it for
Possible future event.
possible future events. Something that is possible in the future. Clear? If plus present simple, will plus base form or base form of the verb means it's future simple. Clear? One of my student in one of my classes, she made a very funny sentence. So what was her sentence? Let me tell you. It was very funny. She said, if Sir Irfan does not come, we will enjoy. We will enjoy. You know what I answered? That's a daydreaming. You will never enjoy. I'll come every day. Don't worry. Clear? Next slide is mastering conditions. That is second, you can say, condition. Number 3. This is second condition. Look at the right sentence carefully. If I won the lottery. If I won the lottery. Which tense is used? Win, won, won. Which tense is used?
Past simple.
Past simple, well done. It means in second conditional, in if clause we use passive. And after the comma there is reward clause. And what is the structure of reward clause?
Would plus base verb.
Would plus base form of the verb or base verb. Or would plus first form of the verb. If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. Clear? So before comma, this is the if clause, and after the comma, this is the reward clause. Now it's perfect, I think. Better than yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Because I recreated these slides. I myself felt that these slides they were too words were too small.
Yes, sir. Too much better.
Much better than yesterday. Yeah. The next one is the second conditional describes hypothetical or unlikely situations. Clear? Those situations which are imaginary or which are hypothetical. Clear? If plus simple. If plus past simple. In if class we use if plus passive. And in reward class, would plus
Base verb.
base form of the verb. Now you may make another video. This